hundreds of millions of years ago, an order of mollusks began to evolve that would advance the intelligence of invertebrates further than was ever thought capable of these backboneless creatures. Classified as cephalopods, these early pioneers would eventually evolve into a group of organisms, including octopuses, squids, and cuttlefish, now renowned and studied worldwide for their advanced neurological and behavioral capabilities. Cephalopods are famous for their brains. Lying somewhere between the size and complexity of the brain of a bird or mammal, these organisms win the prize for having the largest and most advanced neurological systems of all invertebrates. Yet why invest so much in complicated brains? Fossil evidence from the deep geologic past shows that the brain size of cephalopods began increasing around the same time that they expanded into deeper pelagic environments. Because of the increased pressure in deeper waters, a group of cephalopods, known as colloids, lost the ability to maintain their protective exterior shells, making these invertebrates into an easy, ready-to-eat snack for hungry ocean predators. In order to escape predation with the lack of their shells, colloids have evolved highly advanced morphological and behavioral capabilities. With brains much larger than those of other invertebrates, their behavior is also more complex and varied. Cephalopods have acute senses and can adapt quickly to changing environments. Experimental tests, most famously of octopuses and cuttlefish, highlight their memory and problem-solving skills, showing that they are capable of higher-order learning that is often more advanced than that even seen in vertebrates. How can we understand the evolution of the complex behavioral skills, morphology, and advanced learning capabilities that we saw outlined above? The answer lies in the nature of evolution, the fascinating study of how organisms adapt and respond to changes in their environment, in competition from other species. The story of cephalopods is one example of how environmental pressures result in neurological and behavioral capabilities that defy our preconceptions about the intelligence of invertebrates and other species of animals alike. Why did cephalopods initially expand into deeper waters? Let's take a look at their evolutionary history. Major radiations occurred during the Devonian and Mesozoic. As is shown, various groups of cephalopods expanded and diversified at the same time as other similar marine organisms. More specifically, the huge radiation of bony fishes, which eat the same food and occupy the same niche as cephalopods, had a very strong influence on their development. With so many new species, the top of the water column became increasingly crowded, pushing some cephalopods into deeper waters, creating the colloids. Because colloids face competition from keen predators such as fish, they evolved specific defenses, including sharp eyesight, fast swimming speeds, and color-changing abilities. These adaptations helped them not only to escape from being lunch, but also to catch lunch too, by outcompeting others for food. Out of the three major lineages of cephalopods, ammonoids, nautiluses, and colloids, only colloids and two species of nautiluses have survived to today. Further research in the form of behavioral, neurological, and paleontological studies is being conducted both in the laboratory and in the field to help us understand better the fascinating complexity of cephalopods. It is sufficient to say that their big brains and highly complex behaviors are adaptations evolved in response to changing evolutionary pressures experienced throughout their long history. Yet for all the experiments we will perform today, the story of cephalopod evolution remains incomplete, revealed only in hidden bits buried deep within the fossil record. Thank you for watching. This video has been produced by Gina Roberti, all content original. For more fun on fascinating organisms, please visit www.creaturecast.org.